Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, said, I am only a human being, and you people come to me with your cases. And it may be that one of you can present his case eloquently in a more convincing way than the other, and I give my verdict according to what I hear. So if ever I judge and give the right of a brother to his other brother, then he, the latter, should not take it, for I'm giving him only a piece of fire. Share this video and follow us at Hadith Point on all socials for daily reminders.